So this is just another update on the pink 67 Fastback. I'm able to, I just have the quarters hung in place. I'm just lining everything up to get it back to where it was. They had the back end really jacked up from how they did it. I cut it back apart and just have it hanging in place behind the quarters so that I can draw the quarters to where they need to go and then mount that bracing to where it needs to go. You can see it's getting closer, the gaps. I don't have anything screwed in place there. This is all the farther I got for today, but you can see the pillar, just how far of a gap the pillar is back. They have it welded back in place, maybe a 1/4 inch too far on both sides. That's why I didn't weld that B-pillar back in place. I just have it hanging there so that I can move it, because I kind of figured it was messed up a little bit. Just vice grips, some screws in place just to hold together the corners for now until I am able to, I have to blast the trunk hinges and then mount the trunk, line up the quarters to the trunk before I start really screwing everything in place. I like to screw the whole back end together and draw it to where it needs to be before I start welding anything. And I'll fit the rear valance to it. All the door gaps will be right. And for this one, I'm going to put a rear glass in it just to double check to make sure that everything's right after everything that has gone on with this car, with how it was. I just want to make sure everything's perfectly fine and everything lines up right. But it's going pretty smooth now. It should fly together once I get it lined up. It's going to take another full day to line up all these panels in the back just with how it was tweaked. But yeah, just weld the quarters, pull back end, grind all those welds down, weld the dash in. I got all the seat brackets to do yet. And then mount the front end on it. The fenders and hood and all that, I have it sitting back here ready to go. Yeah, it's coming together. It's just a quick video for today, but if you're watching, thanks for watching, and follow me on Instagram. I put pictures up pretty much each day of this, or what I'm doing. There's a Nova that I undercoated. If you follow me, you see I just did that the other day. I had it outside. It was recently painted. I did a bunch of metal work on that, and now I just undercoated it yesterday. And I'm going to paint the trunk area before I move it back over into my clean room and start assembling it. And that's a full restoration on that one. So check it out. I'll have some videos on that in the future. Thanks for watching.